my dear friends, this is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of how do you create a machine image from an existing VM. Apart from this, I'll show you in the lab, can you create a machine image from a running VM or can you create a machine image from a stop VM? Let's get started. Guys, in this session, I'll guide you how do you create a machine image from an existing VM. As you can see here, all the steps as I mentioned here, and I'll show you inside the lab how do you create a machine image from an existing VM using GCP CLI commands. As you can see here, the GCP CLI command as gcloud compute machine image, create machine image name, then source instance, the existing VM you have, then you have to add your existing VM name and you can mention the regions and zone. I'll show you in all the details inside the lab so that you can easily understand it. And I'll show you inside the lab like can you create a machine image from a running VM? Can we create a machine image from a stop VM? If I remove my existing VM, will the machine image also be deleted simultaneously? If I remove the machine image, will the existing VM also deleted simultaneously? I'll show you all the details inside the lab so that you can easily understand it. Guys, let's switch to the GCP console portal. I'll show you all the details inside the lab. Guys, as you can see here, this is the Compute Engine web portal page, and as you can see here also one of the existing Linux server is available here. The name of the existing Linux server as existing Linux server. Now I'll show you in how many ways you can create a machine image with the Compute Engine web portal page. Guys, as you can see here, there is a option machine image is available here. Just you can click on machine image here, then click on create machine image button, then fill all the information field here, then you can select the source VM instance name here as you can see here, then finally just you can click on create here. I'll show you in another ways. First of all, you navigate to the VM instance web portal page. As you can see here, all the server list is available here. Now only one existing server as you can see here is available here now. Then first of all you can select the existing server here, then click on more action. As you can see here, 3 button is here, then one option is available here guys, create new machine image. Then you can click on create new machine image here, then directly you can navigate to the machine image web portal page as you can see here, then fill all the information field, then click on create, then machine image is created as per your requirement. Now I'll show you in the first lab session, can we create a machine image for a running existing Linux server or not. I'll show you now. First of all guys, you can select the existing Linux server here, then click on more action as I already said, then click on create new machine image here, then fill the name of the machine image, new image. As you can see here, this is the default source VM is selected here. If you want to select as per your requirement in the server name, then you can select here. Only one existing Linux server is available here, so that I selected here. Then all the remaining option I leave as it is, then click on create button here. Guys, as you can see here, the new machine image is created. Now let's wait a couple of seconds, then we'll verify can we create a new machine image for running a existing server. Click on refresh button again. Guys, as you can see here, we can successfully create a new machine image for a running existing Linux server. As you can see here, this is the new machine image name. The new image name, as you can see here, the default all the respective field is also available here. Then guys, I'll show you in the VM instance. As you can see here, the status of the Linux server is running now. Now guys, I'll show you in the second lab, can we create a machine image for a stop existing VM or existing Linux server. Guys, first of all, you'll select the existing Linux server here, then stop the Linux server first and wait a couple of seconds to stop the existing Linux server. Then I'll show you how to create a new machine image from an existing Linux server. Guys, as you can see here, the status of the existing Linux server has stopped now. Now guys, I'll show you in other ways to create a machine image, but in the real time project, if you want to create a machine image, then first of all you can stop the server, then you can create a machine image for an existing Linux server. Guys, now as you can see here, this is the machine image. First of all, click on machine image here, then click on create machine image button here, then add the name of the image. I'll add the name of the image as second image so that you can easily understand it. Then I'll select the source VM as existing Linux server here. Then I'll leave all the remaining field as it is. Then click on create button here and wait a couple of seconds to create your new machine image. Then click on refresh button here. As you can see here, the second image machine image is creating now. Guys, as you can see here, the second machine image is successfully created here now. Now I'll show you in the third session lab, if I delete the existing machine image here, will the existing Linux server also deleted simultaneously? We'll check now. First of all, I'll select the existing machine image here. As you can see here, the new image. Then click on delete button. Then click on delete here. Navigate to the VM instance. Then check the existing Linux server also deleted simultaneously. Click on refresh button here. See, the status of the Linux server is as it is. The instance is stopped now. Then navigate to the machine image here. Then click on refresh. As you can see here, machine image is deleted successfully here. Now guys, I'll show you in the last lab session, if I delete the existing Linux server here, will the machine image, the second image deleted simultaneously? We'll check now. First of all guys, you'll navigate to the VM instance. Then I'll select the existing Linux server here. Then I delete the existing Linux server here. As you can see here, click on delete here. Then we'll check status of the Linux server is showing as this instance is stopped now. Guys, as you can see here, the instance is successfully deleted here. Then we'll navigate to the machine image. As you can see here guys, the second image is till now available here. Guys, as you can see here, how do you create a machine image using the GCP CLI command? As you can see here, this is the syntax of the CLI command, gcloud beta compute machine image. Then create, this is the name of machine image. As you can see here, CLI machine image, this is the project ID. Then you can add your existing Linux server name here. Then you can add the zone name, as you can see here, US Central 1C, and the storage location you can add is your region name here. Then guys, you can press enter and wait a couple of seconds. Then now guys, we'll navigate to the GCP console web portal page. Then click on machine image. Then click on refresh. As you can see here, the new CLI machine image is created. Now it will take couple of seconds. Guys, as you can see here, the CLI machine image is successfully created here now. And as you can see here, the status is ready. The name of the machine image is CLI machine image name. Guys, now I hope so you can understand how to create a machine image using the GCP CLI command. Now guys, I hope so you can understand now. Can we create a machine image from a running VM? Yes, we can create it. Can we create a machine image from a stop VM? Yes, we can create it. If I remove my existing VM, will the machine image also be deleted simultaneously? No, it is not possible. If I remove the machine image, will the existing VM also be deleted simultaneously? No, this is also not possible. I hope so guys, now you can understand all the concept now. See you in the next session. Thank you and have a great day.